Hey everyone, this is Arun and I'm back again with another video. So today in this video, I am discussing about the orders dashboard that I've created using purchases data using Looker Studio dashboard, data dashboard. So here, first this section covers the cards, and here in the cards we have orders. Then the second one is displays our the total spends upon two filters that I've used here. First one is the location and second one is the date criteria. So this is the whole dashboard that I created is dynamic. So once I changed the location filter and the custom dates, then this dashboard will get changed automatically. The figures, the charts, and then the breakdown, quantity per supplier. These all charts will get updated automatically once I update the location and the date. So this card is showing the orders. Then the another one we have spends across all the locations, and this one is for the custom dates. Now this is the AOV, which is showing currently 175.73. Then we have items ordered card, then average items per order. Then we have items, number of items, and then suppliers, and then locations. Because we have currently three locations, so this is the data that we are providing over here is for three locations. Then we have two charts. First one is the orders per location, and then the spends per location. So if I make only single location, let's say in Marina Bay, then the chart will only display for the Marina Bay location. Here, let's see, the location has been updated successfully with location 1, and then all the details regarding Marina locations. This is for illustration types only. Now I am adding all the one again. The second graph provides our orders per month. Currently, we do not have any orders on this month, and then this part is also showing the spends per month. Then we have orders per supplier. So this is all our suppliers, and these all are the figures that has been provided by them. So also one thing you can notice here that this is descending to ascending order. So the supplier which has created a lot of orders, the Fresh Direct Private Limited. So they're gonna display first, then the second one, and then the one who has provided the least orders. So this is the descending to ascending one. Then similarly, this one is the spends by supplier. So the supplier who has a lot of spends will come first, then the second one, then so on. Now this chart provides us the two top products per orders. So what are the top products we have received per orders? So this is the avocado per piece. This is the product that we have received per orders. So this is the top product currently we are receiving on orders. Then the top products per spans. So they also are arranged on descending to ascending order. So the top product is align on the top one, then the least product. Then we have a quantity breakdown per supplier and orders item orders chart. So this is basically a table, what we can say with the colors. So here we can see here, wherever I am hovering this mouse, the color gets changed to orange color. And the one that we are looking for, suppose avocado per piece. So this one is our Fresh Directory Private Limited. So this is a firm, and this is the quantity breakdown per supplier and items order table. So this is they have ordered 4135 for fresh. This is for the firm. Then this one is the supplier. This one different. So Basically, they are providing us the quantities, how they have been ordered. And similarly, this is the spend breakdown per supplier and items ordered. So we have used conditional formatting and some coding over here to display the same likewise. And on the below of that, we have a grand total of each one. So let's say this supplier has ordered avocado per piece. This is the item name and how many items with their quantity they have mentioned over there. So this is the dashboard, and this is providing a lot of information for the purchases data overview that we have covered here. And for the data, we are taking the data using Google Forms, and there is a one person who is entering the data currently, but we have the flexibility of adding the data from different persons. So uh, it depends how we are entering the data, but it's very easy. We can give a link to any person, and he can enter the data using the Google form. And once the data is saved, this dashboard gonna automatically gets changed automatically. So this is for the purchases overview. And we have again for suppliers per supplier dashboard, the same tables, but they are for per supplier. Then this one is for Marina Bay location. Then this is for West Coast Park. And then this one is the location for North Bridge Road. So we can see per location wise as well, and we can see the dashboard overall as well. So this is all in this video, and I hope you like this dashboard. And if you have any customizations, or if you want to build a custom dashboards using Looker Studio or any method, maybe Power BI or some different software, you can easily reach me out over my WhatsApp and email address. So thank you for watching this video and have a great day. Take care. Bye.